Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to remove your credit card from websites where it may still be saved, maybe for privacy, account cleanup, or simply because you no longer use certain services, the process can feel a little overwhelming at first. Many people forget how many shopping sites, subscriptions, and apps have payment details stored in the background until they decide to review everything. Since there is no single button that removes a card from every website at once, knowing where to start can make things much easier. Taking a few minutes to check saved payment settings can also help you stay more organized moving forward. Let's go through a simple way to remove a credit card from websites where it may still be saved. Try these. Step 1. Open the credit card account activity and review websites or subscriptions that recently used the card. Step 2. Sign in to websites connected to the credit card and open the payment or billing section. Step 3. Remove saved payment details linked to the credit card from accounts you no longer use. Step 4. Check browser payment settings connected to the credit card if autofill information is saved. Step 5. Update security preferences for the credit card if extra account protection is available. Step 6. Review the credit card account again and confirm no unwanted websites still have saved payment access.